Today I'm gonna give you a best home remedy from which you can get rid of your pimples, your acne overnight. Hey everyone, this is Agum Singh Sisodia and you're watching Disease Media. So before I proceed further and let you know about that home remedy, I want to clear some misconceptions regarding pimples that people think about that. The first thing that you had listened many times that by eating fast food, junk food or spicy food, pimples or acne occurs. But this is not right. Pimples or acne has no connection with fast food. Yes, it is somewhat possible that pimples or acne occurs due to the liver dysfunctioning, liver disorders or your chronic constipation. But if you have acne or pimples, then it does not mean that they comes due to your pizza, your burger, your chow mein, etc. So now the question arises that what is the root cause of these pimples? The root cause of these pimples is the blockage of skin pores, which occurs due to the clump formation between oil and the dead skin cells of the body. As you know that our skin has small tiny pores, and inside these tiny pores there are sebaceous glands, the glands which secrete oily liquid known as sebum. So when this liquidy oil start to combine with the dead cells of the skin, it start to make a clump there, and that clump start to deposit in the opening of the skin pores, and due to that the pore become clogged, and at that time the counter bacterial infection also occurs that cause the pimple to appear. And one more thing that you had heard from many people many times, that this is the age of your puberty, this is the age on which pimples and acne appears, and some people say that during this time the hormonal changes take place and that cause the pimples. But is you had ever think that how these hormonal changes affect our pimple or acne? So now listen it carefully. At the age of puberty, androgens start to release in our body in excess. Androgens are the type of hormones which release in both in males and females at the time of puberty. So due to excess of androgens, our sebaceous gland, the oil glands inside our skin pores, start to activate in a higher amount, and due to that more sebum is secreted and it will mingle up with the dead cells of the skin and cause the blockage of the skin pores, and after that bacterial infection occurs and that cause the pimples. Okay, now let's move on to know about that remedy, that how we can get rid of our pimples overnight. We require 3 important ingredients. That first one is neem, tulsi and turmeric, that is haldi. Okay, so we requires neem and tulsi leaves. We just have to dry them so that we can make crush of them in a powder form. When we crush them, thicker powder will appear, and we just have to filter that powder so that we can get a fine powder of them. And after that we requires 1/3 portion of each, means that we requires equal amount of 3 ingredients, the tulsi, neem and the turmeric. In equal amount we just have to mix them and place in a bottle or in a jar, and then at night we requires 5 minutes before sleep we requires aloe vera gel, which we can purchase from the market or we can extract it from the aloe vera plant. So you just requires a small amount of aloe vera gel in your clean hands, and then you just have to add the mixture of 3 ingredients in it and homogenize it, proper mix it, and then apply it on your face. Just let it dry, don't wash it, and then sleep. And in the morning you just have to wash it with a mild soap or a general face wash, and after wash you will see that your pimples or your acne are no more. If some spots are there on your face, they will also go in 2 to 3 days when you apply it regularly on your face like that. These 4 ingredients which we use in this mixture contains very important properties to absorb the oil, the excess sebum which is secreted from your skin. Second, they will kill the bacterial infection there, and third important thing, that they will open the clogged pore of your skin so that the pimple can go away. But still now an important question left, that if your pimples are gone, then what routine should you follow so that these pimples cannot occur again with you? So now listen it carefully. You don't require anything extra or anything exceptional for it. You just have to wash your face twice a day, in the morning and in the night. And one more important thing, that if you do some physical activities or some cardio exercise, then at the time lots of sweats and oil come out from your body. So after that workout or after that exercise, you just have to wash your face again so that this excess sebum and the dead skin cells will washed up and you can't get the pimple again. And if you think that you are a patient of chronic constipation, the constipation is with you, then I have a very separate video for it, that how you can get rid of a constipation permanently. I had linked that video in the I button, and also in the description you can go through there and watch the video so that you can get rid of your constipation permanently. And if this video helps you in understanding any of your concept, please give it a thumbs up. Please share this video with your family and friends, because by sharing this video you are sharing knowledge to the people which are suffering from pimples and acne. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel, press the bell icon and select all to get more notifications about these type of videos. So that's all for today. I will see you later in the next video.